everyone, this is the Bald Buddy. So this is a electric shaver that's rechargeable. It's a wonderful product, and it has all these pieces inside of it. They even sent a little bit of shave cream in it. So basically, this product is the best ever. So, you know, a man could use this to shave his, top of his head, and, maybe some other areas, let's say. A woman, for myself, I use this on my legs, my armpits, and my unmentionables. And it doesn't hurt, and it's rechargeable, it's waterproof, and it's such a great product, and you can use it for your back, your body, anywhere you want. And it is unisex. You can do it wet and dry, and I love it. Because if anyone knows me, I don't like body hair. So, thank you for stopping by.
When I really needed it, won't even charge, won't even come on anymore. This is ridiculous. I bought this in December. It's March. Oh my God.